Hello everyone, I'm Jiten sir, and in this video we are going to learn about Google Drive. So let's get started. Google Drive is a free service from Google that enables you to store and share files online and access them anytime, anywhere using the cloud. It offers 15 GB of free storage space that facilitates you to store all kinds of files and documents in it. Google Drive can be accessed files. Remote files can be accessed from any device. If you want to share your files and folders, you can easily share it by sharing the links. Sharing files with friends can be done by simply forwarding the links in any media in any groups. You can also go for open discussion, and Google Drive is free of cost. As I have already mentioned, it gives 15 GB of free storage space, and if we need more space, in that case we can go for subscription, and it allows us to expand the storage capacity from 100 GB to 30 TB. There are free web-based applications as well. So let's get started with Google Drive. To open Google Drive, we need to go to a browser. Like suppose this is the mail. Whenever you open your Gmail in a browser, suppose if your browser is a Chrome browser, you can easily access Drive using this link. Click on this Google Apps button. When you click on this, you go to Drive. You have the option of Google Drive here. Click on this Drive option. Once you click on this Drive option, you have your Drive open. This is the storage space where we can keep our files and folders, which can be accessed from anywhere using any device. Okay, now, so here we have got a Drive location. It has got various options in it. We have started our Drive. Now suppose if I want to upload any file, okay, for that we need to click on this new button. Once you click on this new button, it will allow us to create a folder. Like suppose if you want to make a new folder, you can make, like here I'll click on folder and I'll make it as monsoon 2021. So this is my folder. This way we can create a new folder. Now we have created a new folder. As you can see, it is there, monsoon 2021 is a new folder, and we need to open this folder. So this is our folder. You can drag and drop any files in it. Okay, now if I want to upload any file to this folder, okay, so for that we need to click on this new option, file upload, and we need to browse from a system. Like suppose here I want to go for downloads. It's like economic survey to 2020-21. This is a page. I'll click on this, click on OK. So now this file is getting uploaded. Yes, one upload complete. It is showing this. Now let us see where it has been uploaded. Now see, economic survey 2015, this file has been uploaded here. So this was how to upload a new file. Similarly, you can also upload new folder. Like click on new, upload folder. You want to upload any folder, like suppose I go to D drive, and from D drive I want to upload this folder, Posh folder. Click on upload button and click on upload. So this way it will upload all the files present in that folder. In fact, it will copy the entire folder. This folder is a bit long, so it may take time. Okay, now this is, after this is completed, our folder will be uploaded to this drive. Now next we'll learn how to organize files and folders. We have already created a new folder. Suppose we want to create one more new folder. So click on this new folder, new, and then folder. You want to name it as your choice. Like suppose I want to make it as projects. Okay, or I will write class 6 projects. class 6 project. So this way I can create a new folder. So it has created a new folder. Yes, class 6 projects. This folder has been created. Now, if I want to move some of the files to a particular folder, like moving files to a folder, okay, I've got a file here, Monsoon Magic here. To move a file to a particular folder, you need to select that file first. Once you select that file, you need to go for these three dots button, actions button. So click on this action button and you can click on to move to. It will ask for you where to move. In that case, you have to select the desired folder where you have to move your file. Like suppose I want to move it to Monsoon 2021, so I'll click on move button. Your file will be moved to that folder. Now initially my file, this folder was empty. Now when I click on this folder, I can see that file over there. So this shows that we have moved the file to this desired folder. Next, suppose if you want to create a new file, we have already created a new file and we want to search for a particular file in our drive. So in that case, we can search for any file in this search bar. Simply type for the file that you want to search. Like suppose we have different files here, okay, and we want to search for any particular file like 6A projects. So I'll simply type here 6A and then projects. So it will show all the files related to that particular file. Okay. Now, if we don't need any file, like suppose we have created some file and we want to delete some particular file. So we can also delete some files. Like suppose this is my file, I want to delete this file. So again, for deleting a file, you need to select that file using mouse click on more actions and then click on delete button like here. First, to delete this, select the files, click on delete button and your file will be deleted. Now all the deleted files move on to the trash bin, as in mails, as in a phone, whatever the deleted files move to the trash bin, that is the bin. Now you can see here I have this file here. If I want to recover this file, in that case I'll right click on this and I'll click on restore button. When I click on this restore button, I can see that file is again present in my Google Drive option. Okay, so this was about deleting a file and restoring a file or particular folder. Now, as you can see, all these files present over here are in a form of grid. We can also change it to list view. Here the views can be changed. This is, I have made it to a list view. That means all the files present in my drive are now in the form of list. If I want to move it to grid view, in that case the files will be present in the form of grids. All the files are present in the form of grid. If you want to make it list, so it will be list. Okay. Now suppose you have stored, you have uploaded your file, you have created new folder, you have uploaded your files here. Now you want to share the link of this particular file to somebody. In that case, you have to select that particular file. Like suppose this I want to share, I'll select this file, and once I share, like this one, I want to share this one. Click on three dots, more actions button, and from there you can add shortcuts to Google Drive, or you can also share this file. Like here, you want to get a link, or you click on share. When you click on share button, it will ask you for different persons, like it will be shared from this link, this email ID, and get link. I'll copy the link and simply I can place it, I can paste it in WhatsApp or anywhere, in mails or WhatsApp, anywhere you want. Like suppose here in a mail I want to paste it, I'll simply paste it. So whenever the user will click on this, it will open to that particular drive. So this way we can share our files. Okay, after sharing of files, Suppose our work is done, we need to log out, and for logging out, the process is same as you log out from your email account. Okay, so I'm removing this. Just the same way you log out, you have to log out in this way. Sign out of all accounts. In that case, you will be logged out of your account, of your Google Drive account. So this is how we work on Google Drive.